Want to learn how to integrate EverWebinar with Hotmart? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that so you can boost your automation game and scale your business seamlessly. Stick around until the end because I'll also show you how to get a free extended trial for EverWebinar and Hotmart integration. Before diving in, if you want to get started with EverWebinar and Hotmart for free, just check the first link in the description below. You'll also get access to some exclusive bonuses that'll help you make the most out of both platforms. Alright, let's jump straight into the process. First, let's talk about EverWebinar. This is a powerful tool for automating webinars, helping you deliver presentations to your audience on autopilot. It integrates with tons of platforms, including Hotmart, which is fantastic for online course creators and digital product sellers. Next, let's dive into the integration process. To integrate EverWebinar with Hotmart, you'll first need to log into both your EverWebinar and Hotmart accounts. Once you're inside, head over to the EverWebinar dashboard. Here's the third thing you'll do. In EverWebinar, go to Integrations. Look for the Hotmart integration and click to add it. You'll be asked to enter your Hotmart API key. This is where you connect the two platforms securely. Once that's done, head back to your Hotmart dashboard. You'll find your API key in the developer settings. Copy that key and paste it into the EverWebinar integration section. Once this is done, EverWebinar and Hotmart will be synced and you're good to go. The fourth thing to keep in mind is automation. With the integration, your leads and customers from Hotmart will be automatically added to your EverWebinar registrations. So, when someone buys your course or digital product on Hotmart, they'll be instantly registered for your EverWebinar sessions. No manual work, everything is automated. Now, tracking. EverWebinar can track your Hotmart sales and registrations in real time. This allows you to monitor conversions and improve your webinar's effectiveness. To wrap up, make sure you test your integration to ensure everything is running smoothly. Do a quick run-through with a dummy registration to double-check that your Hotmart customers are showing up in EverWebinar. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive extended trial I mentioned earlier. It's a fantastic way to explore the full potential of integrating EverWebinar with Hotmart without any upfront cost. That's it for this quick guide on integrating EverWebinar with Hotmart. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check the link below for your free trial and exclusive bonuses.